I want to ask about content creation and how that sort of factors in with managing a community-based sort of environment.
I think when it comes to content creation, you want to be really focused on the content that you're creating, laddering up to your purpose. So the purpose that you have for your community, which is ultimately part of your business purpose, for that to be aligned, because you want to make it clear for your community that these are the topics that are interesting for us and this is what we're here to solve. So having that alignment is very, very important, because if you don't, the community, just like everyone else, right, can chat about a lot of things, and that's where you don't get to have really kind of like that substance and that flavor and that richness in the comments when people go deeper into details. And this is one great thing about the community. The members are so detail oriented, which sometimes us as a business cannot be, right? Because we look at the business and at our products from kind of like a higher, bigger picture, but the members don't have that, right? And that is what they bring to the table beautifully. So when you're not focused enough, the conversation can span in many different ways, because if it's actually, paradox, because the more they enjoy spending time on the community, the more topics they want to talk about. So it's down to you to rein that in and make sure that you get the richness from the things that matter. But at the same time, because it is a mutual relationship, you want to make sure you cater their needs as well. So what are they really interested in as a collective? Is this something that might not be in your business OKRs, but it's something that really, really matters to them? So for example, on our community, our members are really, really passionate about mental health. So we've seen that from the type of topics, off topics, right, that they like to talk about. So as a community team, we said, yes, we will have conversation about business things, but we see that you're interested as a collective in mental health in general. So what we did is, first of all, our community team is mental health first aid trained. So that goes kind of like both ways. But at the same time, we have worked with a couple of charities. So we brought someone from Mental Health UK, for example, or Mind, or a charity within that domain, to join our community for a day on a thread, and then share a little bit about their experience, but also give our members opportunity to ask questions and have a specialist respond. So it's that blend of keeping the content focus on the business side, ruthlessly aligned, but also understanding your community as a collective and what do they care about, because it needs to be a mutual relationship. And I think that's where you build trust and you go beyond just the transactional, because then the members will realize that you are genuinely interested in them, right? And you want to give something back to them. And that's when emotional connection gets built.